All right, what's up, people? I know what I said. I know what I said. You like it, don't you? Here's the thing. It's going to be more than you wanted. Because this is not going to be part 2 of 2. I know what I did in the last video, and I said it was 1 of 2, and that means this is 2 of 2. But guess what? This is 2 of a lot longer, okay? So, yeah. Now, the first thing, what I'm going to do in this video, and I'm going to try to make these short because I want to stretch them out. Because they need to be stretched out. Because I can't do this unless I stretch them out. So the first thing I want to talk about is what I have here is, these are what are called the A2s. Oh, I just dropped one. Oh no, I just spilled one. Yeah, right. See, that's, what is that? Oh no. See, that's the thing is, there's a lot in this too that people don't understand. So, yeah. These are the A2s. What are the A2s? Okay, so it's like 23, I think. Something like that. Who the fuck cares? Could be 24, could be 28, could be 35. Who the fuck knows? Now see, this guy right here. Wait for him, wait for him. No, where is he? Hold on, where is he? Oh fuck. You know what's funny about this dude is, what guy? Is it this guy? Yeah. Yeah, this guy right here. Funny thing about him is, look what he's doing. Okay, look, we'll get back to all that. But what are the A2s? Okay? See, like, if you take the rest of the tarot, which is what's left in here. And look, I did this funny thing where I went through a phase of shit. Okay, so what's left in there? You're basically left with a deck of cards, okay? So the A2s is like so totally different. Now, I don't want to disparage, like, okay, for example, the funny thing is, like, everything maps to the tree of life. So that would be the Sephiroth, right? So everything maps to the tree of life, and you have the 10 Sephiroth, and each of the ace through 10 map to one of the ace maps to Kether, and the 10 maps to Malkuth, right? And then everything in between. So like you have Kokma and Bina and fucking all that shit, right? We can go through that, but I don't want to, because that's not the really important part about the tarot. I mean, that could be if you wanted it to be, but I think that the A2s, now these are assigned to the pathways between the Sephiroth. Meaning that, okay, for example, these could be viewed as planes of existence, or reality spheres, something like that. So they go from the lowest to the highest, right? So you're trying to work your way up. Like if you're doing path workings and stuff like, look, you can find better stuff on this than me, because I don't really teach that. I've kind of, like, I understand it, but I've moved kind of beyond that, in the sense that I don't use the tarot as a path working. So for me, when I look at the A2s, like, look, it's like just a bunch of cards, like a bunch of random cards, like, you know what I'm saying? To me, the value in them is not that, not at all. But there is value in it to some people. Like, again, what I was trying to tell you when I went back up here to Darth Vader, right? There are white belts and there are black belts, right? So the white belt needs that shit. The white belt needs that shit. The black belt does not need that shit at all. So the black belt can look at these, right? And can derive a different understanding from them. So that's what I'm going to do. This is going to be the Thoth Tarot, Part 2, Volume 1. And then we're going to start getting into shit. And, you know, like, look, here's what I'm going to do. What? The Fool. Now, what Crowley said about the Fool, and again, please, hold on, fuck it. I still have a few minutes in this to deal with this. Please, for all fucking love in the universe, get this book. Get this book. Read it, understand it. Because look, we're going to open this shit up. Look at this. Look at this. This is so crazy. He goes through. He's gonna have a really cool chapter on the Fool. I'm not even entirely sure where it is. Fuck it. I'll deal with this. Maybe this will be the next video. No, it's gonna be this video. You know why? This card. Look at it. Look at it. What is it? What is the Fool? What is it? See that? He's got a tiger biting his leg, and he's not flinching. Dove. Fire. Oh shit, doves. Butterflies, circle. Now when you start understanding this, you're going to start understanding that, as Aleister Crowley said, the entirety of the tarot is there. That's why I put it separate. Because it is separate. So this is going to be the Thoth Tarot Part 2 of 2, Volume 1, which means it's going to be a lot of shit involved. I'm not going to do one for every Trump, but I'm going to start showing you how this shit works. Because look, bro, this one is separate. Because, okay, well, I might even do it later on where I show you how it all goes full fucking circle. But as far as it really concerns itself, when you get the black belt, you understand this is the only Trump. This is the only Trump, and all of these Trumps are contained within that Trump. Once you get that, boom, you're a black belt. Then you don't need me anymore. But until then, I'm going to have fun with you guys. Thanks and all that bullshit. So, yeah, part 1. Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day, by the way. Oh, wait, that was yesterday. Sorry.